So dear students, as we have started the exercise 66.3 of your chapter triangle, exercise 6.3. In this exercise we have studied the question number till question number 6. So today we are going to discuss the question number 7. Let's see what is given in 7. In the figure, altitudes AD and C, these are the altitudes, means making 90-degree angle. So altitude means this line C is perpendicular on AB, it means it makes 90-degree angle, this side also, that side also. And AD is altitude on BC, so gives 90-degree at this side, at that side also. So these are called perpendicular lines or altitudes, okay, of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. These altitudes intersect each other at this point P, okay. Then so that these things are given, ये चीज़ें हमें प्रूव करनी है. So in the when you are proving this question, so you need to write down data and to prove. So data, these are altitudes on the sides, you can write down. How? In data you can write in triangle ABC, AD is altitude, AD is perpendicular on BC, and what? C is perpendicular on AB, and C is perpendicular on AB. So these things are given, right? And these altitudes intersect at point P, right? Or you can say AD and C intersect at point P, right? So in to prove you need to write down these 4 parts. ये सभी parts हमें to prove करने. Now I am not going to write down to prove, I am just going to prove directly. So to prove, you need to write so that this part, these 4 parts, okay. After that we are going to start proof, right friends? So let us see the proof. In the proof, first I am going to start the first part. First proof, in triangle AEP, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, right friends? AEP and CDP, these two triangles we are going to compare. So in AEP and CDP, first of all you have to see AEP means this triangle and CDP means this triangle. So let us compare. In triangle AEP, measure angle AEP is equals to, in triangle CDP, measure angle CDP, they are equal. Why? 90-degree each. And one more reason you can write down, because these lines are perpendicular to each other. It is given these two angles AEP and CDP, these two are 90-degree angles. From the figure it is clear that. Now in these two triangles you just see any other angles are equal. So you can observe that this C is intersecting AD at point P, and so that these angles are vertically opposite angle. So in this triangle AEP and angle APE is equals to angle CPD region vertically opposite angles. that's why they are equal. Right. Now in these two triangles, two angles are equal, means corresponding angles are equal. Therefore directly you can write down, so that triangle AEP is similar to triangle. Now let us see the corresponding part. E is 90 degree in this triangle and D is 90 degree in this triangle. So AE is second letter, so second letter you just write D here. First letter, now P is common, so P is third letter in this, so P. So what we need to write down, CDP. AEP is similar to CDP by angle similarity. Right friends? Angle similarity means क्या? Angle similarity. मैंने आपसे बताया था, दिस थ्री एंगल सिमिलरिटी इज इक्वल्स टू द एंगल सिमिलरिटी, क्योंकि दो ट्रायंगल के दो एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे, सो व्हाट ऑफ इज थर्ड विल बी इक्वल. राइट? कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? ओके. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट द सेकेंड वन. सेकेंड, फर्स्ट इज प्रूव्ड, सेकेंड स्टार्ट करते हैं. इन द सेकेंड पार्ट इट इज गिवन ट्रायंगल ABD, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल लेते हैं. इन ट्रायंगल ABD and triangle CBE. ABD and triangle CBE, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कंपेयर करते हैं. ओके, पहले तो देखते हैं these two triangles are where there in our figure. ABD means this right angle triangle, and CBE means this triangle. दोनों ट्रायंगल को कंपेयर करते हैं. दोनों राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हैं. ABD में एंगल D 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो इन ABD एंगल ADB is equals to, in this which one is 90 degree? Angle E is 90 degree. So you can write angle CEB 90 degree each. दोनों ही 90 डिग्री एंगल हैं. क्लियर हुआ? ओके. नाउ इज देयर एनी एंगल कॉमन इन दीज टू ट्रायंगल? सो ABD एंड CBE, in this angle is common. Angle B is common in both the triangles. So therefore angle B is equals to angle B. Why? They are common angles. Right students? Okay, as they are common angles, so that by angle similarity these two triangles are similar. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by angle similarity, because दोनों ही ट्रायंगल के दो एंगल्स इक्वल मिल गए हमें. एनी कन्फ्यूज़न इन दीज टू? आई थिंक मुझे कोई कन्फ्यूज़न आपको नहीं लगना चाहिए. सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट द थर्ड पार्ट. थर्ड पार्ट मीन्स दिस पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव. दिस इज AEP is similar to ADP. So in triangle, third part we need to start. So third part triangle AEP and triangle AEP and triangle ADB. पहले तो चेक करते हैं. Where are these two triangle? AEP and ADB. AEP. This AEP and ADB. ADB. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कंपेयर करते हैं. AEP and ADB. Right? AEP एंड ADB, तो दोनों में पहले तो कंपेयर करते हैं एंगल्स कौन से 90 डिग्री हैं। AEP में एंगल E is 90 degree and ADB में एंगल D is 90 degree. Okay, so you just write down angle AEP. In this angle AEP is equals to angle, now in ADB angle ADB, they both are 90 degree each. Okay, दोनों एंगल 90 डिग्री एंगल है. Now in these two triangles angle A is common, so you can write angle A is equals to angle A, which is common angles, right? So therefore triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by angle similarity. जब दो एंगल्स मिल गए इक्वल, सो हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. क्लियर हुआ कॉन्सेप्ट? नाउ द फोर्थ पार्ट इज रिमेनिंग. सो फोर्थ पार्ट वी नीड टू सॉल्व हियर. यहाँ हमारे पास कुछ स्पेस थे, सो फोर्थ पार्ट के लिए यूटिलाइज कर लेते हैं. इन दिस these two triangles are taken in triangle PDC and triangle BEC, राइट फ्रेंड्स? दोनों ट्रायंगल को कंपेयर करते हैं. PDC पहले देख लेते हैं कहाँ. PDC मीन्स ये स्मॉल ट्रायंगल, ये छोटा ट्रायंगल, एंड BEC मीन्स दिस बिग ट्रायंगल. ठीक है, दोनों में पहले 90 डिग्री, इसका D 90 डिग्री है और इसका E 90 डिग्री है. सो यू कैन राइट एंगल PDC इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल BEC 90 डिग्री ईच. ओके, नाउ इज देयर एनी एंगल कॉमन? PDC, this angle C, and BEC means this angle C. C is common in both the triangle. Therefore, angle C is equals to angle C, which are common in both the triangle. They are common angles. So, as these two angles, corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles, so they are similar by angle similarity. Therefore, you can write triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC by angle similarity. Okay friends, so question was easy. क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से समझना. क्वेश्चन को पहले तो सिमिलर कर, यू हैव टू कंपेयर दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स, दोज टू ट्रायंगल्स यू आर गोइंग टू प्रूव सिमिलर. फिर उससे यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ कैन यू prove it. Sides को compare करना. Angle, if two angles are equal, corresponding angles, so it is very easy by angle similarity. So इसमें the things which, four things which we are going to prove, सब में दो angles common मिल रहे थे, दो angles equal मिल रहे थे. So by angle similarity easily we have proved all four things in this figure easily, right friends? So you have to keep revising and prepare for your test. Okay friends, so let's see the question number 8. In this it is given E is a point on the side AD. E is a point on the side AD if produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So you have actually a parallelogram ABCD. Now when you produce AD, then you will get a point E such that B intersects CD at point F, so that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So dear students, first of all you need to draw the figure of this question. After drawing the figure, पहले तो figure confirm कर लो. Figure एक बार clear हो जाता है, फिर prove करने में कोई problem नहीं है, as the question is saying. So first of all we need to draw ABCD is a parallelogram. तो ABCD एक parallelogram draw करते हैं. Okay, so parallelogram, you know that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, right? ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, right. So this is your parallelogram A, B, C and D. Clear हुआ बच्चों? Okay. Now ABCD is a parallelogram. Now produce the side AD up to the point E. So इस AD को हमें प्रोड्यूस करना है. Produced side AD, so you will get a point E here. This point E you got, as it was discussed in the very first point. E is a point on the side AD produced of a side parallelogram ABCD. Now join B, then B intersect CD. B intersect C, CD at point B intersect CD at point F. This is point F. Clear? Then so that ABE means this big triangle. It's similar to C of B, CFB, this triangle. Clear? Concept समझ में आ गया? Very good. तो फिगर क्लियर एक बार समझ में आ जाना चाहिए, बाकी प्रूव करने में आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट? ओके, सो लेट अस कंपेयर दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स एज डेटा वी नीड टू राइट डाउन. What is given? Given ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Then AD is produced up to E. AD is produced up to E such that AD is produced up to E such that B intersects CD at point F. BE intersects DC at F. Clear? Very good. Now we need to write down to prove what we are going to prove. To prove that triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. ये दो ट्रायंगल्स कंपेयर करने जा रहे हैं. So now let us see the proof of these question. Okay, so let us see these two triangles. First, AB is this big triangle, ABE, this triangle. Okay, and CFB means this triangle. This big triangle and this triangle we are going to compare. ठीक है? Is it clear? Now let us see, is there any angle in this, as ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram, it means AD is parallel to BC. If AB is parallel to BC, then since in triangle these two triangles we are taking, ABE and triangle CFB. These two triangles we are comparing. In this, A is parallel to BC. Is it? If A is parallel to BC, why A is parallel to BC? Because A represents AD and AD is the opposite side of parallelogram BC, right? So you can write it opposite sides of parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. Now A is parallel to BC, then this B is a transversal. If B is a transversal, then this angle means angle E of this triangle is equals to angle this B is of this triangle, right? So therefore measure angle AEB is equals to measure angle EBC or FBC region alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Right friends? Okay. Now same as this angle is equals to this one, you have written by alternate interior angles. Now these, once again this is parallel to this is, so DC will be transversal. If DC is transversal, then DC is transversal, then this angle will be equals to this angle by alternate interior angle, and this angle is equals to this angle by corresponding angle, right? So since you just write, since D is parallel to BC, once again D is parallel to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram, because D is a part of AD, right? A you can say. If AD is parallel to BC, then D is also parallel to BC. Now DC is a transversal, then you can write angle DEF is equals to measure angle DEF is equals to measure angle FCB, same as alternate interior angles. Okay. Now this EDF, this angle is equals to this angle by corresponding angles. Okay. So at the place of EDF, we can write EAB. Therefore angle EAB of this triangle is equals to angle FCB. You can write corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Which two corresponding angles? Angle EDF equals to angle EAB. Angle EAB. Right? Okay. Now in these two triangles, means angle EAB and FCB, two corresponding angles we got equal. So therefore these two triangles are similar by angle similarity. Therefore triangle ABE you are starting, ABE से start किया, it's similar to triangle ABE means this big triangle हमने लिया. Now अभी हमें FCB से कंपेयर करना है. So A से स्टार्ट किया, A is equal to C, this one, right? So you have to start with C. Now B you have taken. B is this triangle and this is correspondence to F. After that this F is to E. C of B. CFB by angle similarity criteria. Okay friends, so it is proved. Write it in your notebook and revise it properly. Let's see the question number 9. In this it is given, in the figure ABC AMP are two right triangles, right angle at point B and M respectively. Then prove that ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So let us draw the figure first of all. Side AP, triangle ABC, okay, side A. In this, right angle at point M and B, AMP and okay, AMP and ABC. ABC, B is right angle, C is this point. Clear? So this is right angle triangle and this is right angle triangle. Okay, we are going to prove that these two triangles are similar, right? Okay friends, so let us prove this thing. There are two things it is asked. So see the proof of this. I am just writing directly the proof, but you do not write. Why? You have to write down you have to use that all the procedure, means to write data to prove, and then afterwards proof if it is required construction, so need to construct. But in this question, no need to construct. So let us compare these two triangle ABC in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Right friends? So let us compare these two triangle ABC and AMP. This angle A is common in both the triangle, right? So you can write angle A is equals to angle A, they are common angles, right? Now in ABC, angle B is right angle. Angle B in angle ABC is equals to angle AMP, 90 degree each. They both are 90 degree as it is given from the question. Okay, so of these two triangles, two angles are equal. So they are similar by angle similarity. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A is started. A is common in both the triangles, so you have to start this triangle is also with A. And B is 90 degree, so in this triangle M is 90 degree. So A, M, and the remaining part is P. ABC is similar to AMP. Now, this is the first part proved. Now you are going to find out second. This is the first part. First is the proved. Now second part, CA upon PA. CA means this is. Therefore AC upon AP is equals to BC upon MP or PM. BC upon PM upon MP. Why? These two triangles were similar. By angle similarity, you need to write down angle similarity reason. Now we have to write down the reason of this is also. Why? Because of these are corresponding parts of corresponding sides are in same ratio, are in proportional of two similar triangles, are proportional of two similar triangles. Clear? So dear students, it is proved. Any confusion? This angle was common in both the triangle. This angle is equals to this, as they are 90 degree. It was given as the triangles were that right angle triangle, so that by angle similarity these two triangles are similar. Afterwards their corresponding sides are in same ratio. Okay, let's see question number 10 of your textbook of exercise 6.3. In this it is given CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angles of angle ACB, and EGF means this is CD and GH are the bisector, such that D and H lies on the sides AB and E of triangle. This is, as in this it is given, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG, then so that. So let us prove this is data. To prove, you just write down. So accordingly we have to draw the figure, as triangle ABC is similar to FEG. Here it is given triangle ABC is similar to FEG. Now CD is the bisector of angle C and GH is the bisector of angle G. Clear? GH is the bisector of angle G. Clear? Okay. So let us prove. So first proof start करते हैं. Data or to prove you have to write down by your own self. Okay. So see the proof of first part. So in the first part, let us start. How? By the first, as you have to take the things which is given. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, this is given. ये हम नहीं कह रहे हैं, ये आपके क्वेश्चन में दिया है. If they are similar, so their corresponding angles are equal. Is it? Okay. So it means angle A is equals to angle A, measure angle A is equals to measure angle F. Is it? Measure angle A is equals to measure angle F. This angle is equals to this is measure angle A is equals to measure angle F. Right? Now, second thing, this is by corresponding part of similar triangle, corresponding part of similar triangles you can take. So it is corresponding angles. As you know that two triangles are similar, so their corresponding angles must be equal. Okay. Now, since angle C is also is equals to angle G, angle C angle G के equal है, angle C is equals to angle G, and the reason is same, corresponding angles of similar triangle, right? So you just take the half of this, half of angle C. If you are writing, angle C will be equals to half of angle G, half of angle G means half of angle C is equals to half of angle G. Therefore, half of angle C can be written as angle DCA. DCA is equals to half of angle G. Half of angle G can be written as HGF. Angle HGF. Right? Now you just see in these two triangle. अभी इस ट्रायंगल और इस ट्रायंगल को कंपेयर करते हैं. This angle is equals to this is, as both the triangles were similar. Now this angle is equals to this is. Therefore, it is therefore triangle ADC, if you are writing ADC is similar to triangle EHFHG by angle similarity criteria. Right? Okay. Now these two triangles are similar. So you just start CD. CD means this is CD upon third and second letter upon GH. This is upon GH is equals to AC means this part. AC is equals to FG. CD upon GH is equals to AC upon FG. Their corresponding sides are proportional of two similar triangles. Reason: corresponding sides are proportional of two similar triangles. Proportional of similar triangles. Right? So first part is proved. आपका पहला पार्ट प्रूव हो गया. नाउ वी नीड टू प्रूव द सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पार्ट. सेकेंड और थर्ड पार्ट प्रूव करना है एंड यू कैन प्रूव इट इजीली ऑल्सो. आप इसको इजीली प्रूव कर सकते हैं. लेट अस सी व्हाट इज सेकेंड. DCB, पहले तो ट्रायंगल को आप क्लियरली ध्यान से देख लीजिए. DCB मीन्स दिस ट्रायंगल इज सिमिलर टू HGE. DCB HGE. तो इन दोनों का दिस एंगल B will be equals to angle E. क्यों? Because ABC is similar to FEG. तो angle B will be equals to angle E. Now this angle is equals to this. Because ये angle C angle G के equal है तो इसका half equal होगा. Same as you can prove it. Similarly, concept समझ में आ रहा है? Similarly, you can prove it with the same method you have to apply to prove this second. अब आते हैं थर्ड पार्ट पे. Third is what? DCA. DCA is similar to HGF. ये तो अभी प्रूव किया हमने. DCA is similar to HGF. ये तो ऑलरेडी हमने अभी प्रूव भी किया बाय एंगल सिमिलरिटी. आर यू गेटिंग? बात समझ में आ गई? सो अभी इस क्वेश्चन को इजीली सॉल्व कर लेंगे. दोनों पार्ट्स को आप सॉल्व करके दिखाइएगा. इस थर्ड पार्ट में तो आप ये यहाँ से दिखाइएगा. फ्रॉम हियर इट इज. गॉट इट? सॉल्व कर लेंगे सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पार्ट. वेरी नाइस. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11th ऑफ this exercise. In this it is given in the figure E is a point on the side CB. E is a point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equals to AC. Then if AD is perpendicular on BC and EF is perpendicular on AC, AD is perpendicular on BC, EF is perpendicular on AC, then so that triangle ABD means this triangle is similar to EFC, right? ECF. These two triangles we are going to similar proof. Okay friends, so you need to write down data into proof. So let us see the proof of this question. since it is given, since triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, with AB is equals to AC, with AB is equals to AC. If these two sides are equal of this triangle, so their opposite angles are equal. It is given in the question. Okay, so the opposite angle of AB is this, opposite angle of AB is angle C, means ACB. Angle ACB is equals to opposite angle of AC. AC is this and this is, means angle ABC. Angle ABC. Why they are equal? Because these two sides are equal. So opposite angles are equal of opposite angles are equal of equal sides. Equal sides, opposite angles are equal of equal sides. Right, friends? Okay. Now this angle ACB is equals to ABC. Okay, ये मिल गया आपको. Say it is equation number 1. Now let us compare these two triangles which you are going to prove. Okay, so since now in triangle ABD and triangle ECF, these two triangles we are taking. Okay, in ABD angle D is 90 degree, angle ADB is 90 degree, and ECF means F is 90 degree. So angle EFC, they are equal because 90 degree each, right? Since it is given AD is perpendicular on BC, EF is perpendicular on AC. Clear? Okay. Now in these two triangles, one angle we have seen that they are equal. In this is 90 degree each. Now in ABD, angle ABD is equals to, in ECF, angle FCE. They are equal from equation 1. Clear? इस इक्वेशन से क्लियर हो गया, राइट? सो देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल ABD is similar to triangle ABD. You have started ABD. So B is equals to C, D is equals to F, means B is equals to C and D is equals to F. So what is remaining? E is remaining. ECF by angle similarity criteria. क्लियर हुआ कॉन्सेप्ट? आपका प्रूव हो गया. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू जस्ट कीप इट इन माइंड. इट इज़ मैंडेटरी टू राइट डाउन डेटा एंड टू प्रूव. डेटा और टू प्रूव लिखने के बाद ही आप प्रूफ लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे. क्लियर हुआ कॉन्सेप्ट? ओके, लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. साइड्स AB, BC and median AB, BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional of side PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR as in the shown in the figure. Then show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Right friends? So first of all you need to draw data, means which is given in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR. So let's write down. So I have to write down data are given or not, as you say. Okay, so let's write it. ABC, in this data you need to write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and in PQR. Triangle PQR, what are the given? These sides are in proportion. Which one? AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. This thing is given, right? Okay, now let us see what you are going to prove. To prove that this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, ये प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं हम. सो सी द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, और इसके प्रूफ को ध्यान से देखिएगा so that the concept will be clear, right? Okay, so as in every question we are doing, we are always starting with the given information. So in this also we have to start with the given information. So since what? AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. AD upon PM. Any problem? This is given. It is given you in the question. Okay. Now just think about BC and QR. This BC and QR, you know that AD is the median. It means D is the midpoint of BC. Similarly, in triangle PQR, PM is the median. It means this point M is the midpoint of QR, right? Okay. Now this BC, therefore, it can be written as AB upon PQ equals to BC can be written as 2BD and QR can be written as 2QM. 2QM is equals to AD upon PM. Right? This thing, the given, you just write it question number 1. Okay. Now this 2 is cancelled. This BC is equals to 2BD कैसे लिखा, ये clear हुआ? And this QR is equals to 2QM कैसे लिखा, ये भी clear हुआ? As D is the midpoint of BC and M is the midpoint of QR, you need to write BC is equals to 2BD and this QM is equals to QR is equals to 2QM. ठीक है, रीजन दे भी दिया. नाउ व्हाट यू गॉट, देयरफॉर आपको क्या मिला, AB अपॉन PQ इक्वल्स टू BD अपॉन QM इक्वल्स टू AD अपॉन PM. जरा देखते हैं ये कौन कौन से साइड हैं. AB अपॉन PQ, AB अपॉन PQ equals to BD upon QM equals to AD upon PM. So of this triangle ABD and this triangle PQM, all the corresponding sides are in proportional. So what you can say about these two triangles? These two triangles are similar by side similarity. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side similarity. Okay, since sides were in proportional, so these two triangles are similar. Now as these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle B will be equals to angle Q. Is it? Angle B is equals to angle Q. So that angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? These are corresponding angles of similar triangle. Corresponding angles of similar triangle. Okay, so just see angle B is equals to angle Q, ये हमको मिल गया. And from equation first you just see this AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR, and we have AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR, right? हमें क्या मिला? AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. It was already given, so it was given, and the angles are equal. ये हमने अभी find किया. So the corresponding sides are in same ratio and one angle is equal. Therefore, now these are related to the big triangle ABC. So you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, but reason is side angle side similarity criteria. Similarity. Right friends? So I think you got this question. इसका meaning समझ में आया होगा. Once again you can see, just see what is given in this triangle ABC and PQR. AB, BC and AD of this triangle, PQ, QR and median PM, they are in proportional. Means AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. यहाँ से हमने start कर दिया and taken it is equation number 1. Okay, now this BC can be written as 2BD. Why? Because D is the midpoint of BC, AD as a median. So median, the definition of median you know it better. What is? Median is a line segment drawn from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore BC can be written as 2BD and QR is 2QM. Same as after getting this is we got this triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side similarity criteria. As all three sides are in ratio, so triple sides are applied. These two triangles are similar, so that angle B is equals to angle Q. As for two similar triangles, their corresponding angles are equal. Now this angle is equal. Now you just come once again in this given. Since AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR, therefore the sides of this triangle ABC, AB upon BC, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR, and this angle, included angle of these two sides are equal. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side similarity criteria. क्लियर हुआ कॉन्सेप्ट? सो बच्चों ये सभी क्वेश्चंस को अच्छी तरह नोट करना, और कोई डिफ़िकल्टी हो सो यू कैन कॉल, फील फ्री टू कॉल.